I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Don't you love it too? Let's say this to you. Yo. Hi. I'm not here to waste your time. I know this ain't a pickup line. I just think that you're a dime. Well, don't just sit there, girl. I know that heart that's in your chest, it carries pain and so much stress, but you gotta let it go. Just close your eyes, I'll grab your waist. Next thing you know, you have your pace. Girl, you gotta let it go.